pretty excited about today because I'm going to show you a little tip that's going to improve your watercolors. No end. Let's get into the video. I'm so glad you're back. Welcome back to SLUGA channel. Hope you've had a fantastic week. It's cold here in Australia. It's winter. I know our winters are nothing compared to my friends over there in Canada or America or Europe, but it's cold for us. In fact, before I get into it, I might have to change my coat. I'm Charles, and if you haven't been here before, check it out, consider subscribing, hit that little bell so you don't miss out on any videos. But what's this channel about? It's all about watercolor related stuff. I actually want to help you and your friends and your family, the world, live, love, and do watercolor. Why? Because it's a fantastic thing to do. Because it's so cold, I thought I'd use something cold, like a fridge. My fridge door, we're going to do a little painting of that. Here's one that I did earlier. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take a little snippet of that just to show you what I'm trying to get across today. Now what I'm trying to get across is, probably best if I just show you. It out goes for about 40 seconds. This is how not to do the painting. But I want you to see it so you can compare it to how to do the painting. Let me just get my water container. And let's get into the painting. Tried to paint it like a beginner might paint it, basically colouring in. And watercolour is not about colouring in. It's about getting that painterly feel, letting the water do its job, getting that beautiful connection and flow. There's the key word, connection. In that painting that I just did, in that little demo that I just did, you saw that each thing was painted individually. I treated each bottle, each jar as a separate object. And what it does, I mean, it's okay, but what it does is it doesn't unify. It's not working as a team. We want your painting, your objects, to work as a team. Working as a team, what do I think of? I think of the Avengers. Now there's a team. So your bottles, your jars, they're the Avengers. The Incredible Hulk, Captain America, Iron Man, etc., etc. They've got to work together to give you an overall result. They don't work together, no result. Charles, you're saying connect things in your picture, but what do you actually mean? How do you actually do that? I hear you say. Well, I hear you say you physically connect the things. Check out this little demo again. This time I'm concentrating on connecting the shapes. Have a look, 1 minute. So don't paint one bottle and then a jar. You paint one bottle and you paint the jar, so the bottle and the jar touch and they bleed into each other, and voila, they're connected. We connect physically the bottles and jars. We let them run into each other. In fact, if they don't connect, encourage it. You encourage it, you drag your brush. And what that does is it creates this unity. You can see it in the painting. that's it for another video. I hope you found it useful. As always, I hope you actually put it into practice. Don't have to go and do this big painting, just practice. Remember, this applies to any objects, any painting really, doesn't matter what you are painting. Connect, 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 which unifies. It's teamwork. If you can't remember that, remember, just think of the Avengers. I hope you have another fantastic week. I intend to, but for now, on this freezing cold day, I'm going to go home and get warm. Please hit the like, the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe. You can hit the icon on the screen. I'm not sure where it is today. Check out my other videos and please say hello in the comments. Let me know what you want to see and I'll try and do that. Rightio, time to go home. I better get changed. Different coat. Time to go home. Bye.